I'm very glad to introduce ProBaby's drawer angle lock for baby safety. It is with self-adhesive tape and no need any tools or screws to install. First, clean the surface. Then, check the position. Tease off the backing paper. And take care not to touch the adhesive. Stick it on the door of the cabinet and drawer. Press it for a few seconds to make it firm. Exploring the house and reach the dangerous medicines, chemicals, or fragile items inside the drawer or cabinet. It is very practical, don't you think? Well, that's all. Thank you. See you next time.